Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the YouTube app on your laptop running Windows 11. Installing the YouTube app on Windows 11 provides an optimized viewing experience, complete with enhanced features, notifications, and easy access to your favorite content. Let's begin. To install the YouTube app on your Windows 11 PC, start by opening the Microsoft Edge browser. Once the browser is open, type youtube.com into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the YouTube homepage to fully load. After the page has loaded, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, move your cursor over the option labeled Apps. A sub-menu will appear. From this sub-menu, click on Install YouTube. An Install YouTube pop-up will now appear on your screen. In this pop-up, click the Install button to proceed. The installation process will be completed within a few moments. Once installed, you will see options to customize how you want to use the app. If you see a prompt to allow the app certain permissions, click on the Allow button. If you want to pin the YouTube app to your taskbar for quick access, click on Yes when prompted. This will ensure the app is easily accessible from your desktop environment. To confirm the installation, go to your desktop and you will see a shortcut for the YouTube app. Double-click on this shortcut to open the app and start using it. That's how you can install the YouTube app on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop PC. Thank you for watching.